What's up, guys? We got fog light swap. These are the factory units right here. Swapped them out for some black housings that were sent to me by a super awesome seller on Amazon. Affiliate link is down below, so go ahead and click it if you're interested in these. I highly recommend them. If your truck came with fog lights, it's a direct swap, minus you have one wire that is optional, you know, but I definitely recommend that you just take the white wire, you wire it into the power wire at your 2-pin connector. It's real quick and easy. This isn't a full how-to. It's 3 7mm bolts per side. It's real quick and easy, like I said. And then you just got to adjust the aim, which I have not done yet. But I do have comparisons of before and after. I wasn't expecting as big of a difference as these provided. So definitely highly recommend these. Check them out and check out the video. Hello, welcome to another video. Trash Panda Productions here. We have ourselves some fog lights. These are pretty neat. These are a little better than I expected. So as you can see, I've already pulled off the factory ones right there. Now these are the ones that are going to go in there, the black housings, or the black inners, I guess you could say. Those are going to look pretty nice up against the truck. These are a little bit better than I expected, to be honest with you. I had a Amazon seller reach out to me and say, hey, we have these fog lights. You want to throw them on your truck? See how they fit, see how they work, let us know. And here we are. Here we are. I tell you, they're better than I expected, for sure. For sure. Here's the brand right here. So, backside seems pretty similar to the factory. You know, overall mounting connector. You got this extra wire for the surround portion right there. So as you can see, I've already taken these off. I did this so that way that the video is a little bit better in regards to comparing, but they're pretty nice quality. I mean, the thickness appears to be the same. They have the same sound. But I'm telling you, I'm really liking this black in there. I think that's gonna look real nice with the blue front end. And yeah, so here they are. If you're interested in them, there's a link down below. It'll take you straight to them. It is my affiliate link, and it'll take you to, again, here's the brand. So what I'll do is, in the meantime, I'll roll the footage of me pulling them off, and then I'm going to start putting these ones in, and then we will turn them on and see how they look. All right, with the lights installed, let's roll through and show kind of the front bumper, how they line up. I was overall impressed with how they fit. I mean, they look really nice. The lines are right there, the seams are right there, like the gaps, they're right there. When it gets darker, I'm gonna do some adjusting to basically the height of them, but other than that, these things look really, really nice on there. They do appear to have more of a gloss front finish to them, which makes them reflect a lot more. It's a little bit more like mirror-like. I did take video last night on how they worked on a certain road, and I did that at a certain time, which I wrote down. I don't have it on me, but I'm going to do the exact same drive tonight. So the conclusion of this video will show the before and the after, and you can kind of compare to see if the fog lights helped or hurt or stayed the same. But they're fog lights, so they're really not like super bright lights as they are meant to be. So I wouldn't expect too much out of them, but hey, let's see what we got. And yeah, so in closing, I'm overall impressed with these. I did get these sent to me, and I told them that I would do an installation video, even though it's not like a how-to installation video, because there's no need for it, because it's seriously 3 7mm bolts that you can get to from the backside and just unclip it and then bolt it back up in there. It's 100% super easy. I had each light out within 5 minutes, each new one in within 5 minutes. You get this greasy mess all over you though. I've washed my arms twice now, so frame rails has a gooey mess, especially when it's really hot outside. So again, back to squirrel. In closing, I'm pretty stoked with these lights. I mean, I really like the black finish on the inside. I like the little LED strip above, top and bottom. I cannot wait to see them at night. And yeah, so if you're interested in throwing some in there, click the link. They're on Amazon. I think this is a new company and they're just trying to get their name out. I think they're doing a good job of it. I think it's a nice product. I'm A-okay with it. I will definitely try more of their stuff. I'm gonna go through the list and see what else they offer and see what I want to throw on my truck. But these are a good start. These are not going to be for a truck that doesn't have the fog lights already, because you're not going to have the harness, so you're going to need to figure out that harness. Then they also include this light right, or this wire right here, and that's for the LED strip around. That's if you want to hook it up to your daytime running lights. So whenever your daytime running lights pop on, it'll trigger this wire down and it'll turn on your fog lights. I don't want that option. That's up to you. But yeah, so there it is. Again, here's the brand. Check them out on Amazon. Until next time, see ya.